Hi. So this is the ongoing series of my 25 things to do before turning 25. And here I'm not going to elaborate one specific topic. Rather, I would tell you the sequential way and whether I was able to complete it or not. So the fourth one is journaling. I started journaling from a very long time ago, but in between I stayed inconsistent. A month ago, I started doing it again, and you can do it with a notepad, pen and paper, or in your phone as well. That is very convenient, I feel. The fifth one is learning finances. I have had a very hard time saving a single penny, and I don't know where my all money goes, right? And so I decided to save a segmented amount for a specific cause, and I'd learn how to save it, invest, and all. And the sixth one is making a vision board. Making a vision board has been very fascinated for me because it just it's just so good to see all the things that you like onto one paper, right? So yeah, I've made a vision board for 2026, and I would like to tell you that it is very it works. It really works. And if you want to see it, if you want to make it, let me know. I will tell you, or I'll give you some recommendations. I can do that. And the seventh one is reading Bhagavad Gita. It was more about in an audio form. I couldn't read it bit to bit, but I was listening to it in audio form, yes. And the eighth one is starting a book reading club. Yash, you're listening, right? So that is in the process. And yeah, we have decided that we'll pick a one book and we'll talk about it. We'll give our different perspectives. That is because very helpful for everyone. And the 10th is trek. So मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी trek में? So I was planning to go somewhere outside, but I couldn't go. But yeah, so I went this here and near Delhi only. It was fun, it was nice, but not like trek, but it was kind of outing. So the 11th one is learning a skill. Yes, I am learning a skill, and I'm yet a long, long, long way to go. So I'm glad that at least I started. The 12th is be regular with meditation, even 10 or 15 minutes. I think this is something very subjective to everyone. Some people like it or some people don't. Some people don't even understand the meaning of it. But I feel this has been a very helpful asset for me because this grounds me and this just lets me breathe in a space and just lets me reflect and pause and reflect. So yeah, I'm grateful that I know these are the things that helps us. The 13th one is get a haircut. That I've already got a haircut, and this has a story that I will tell you in a separate video. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm getting late. I hope you have enjoyed my 25 things so far, and yeah, more things to come. Few things actually, but yeah, just wait and watch. Bye bye.